Hey friends, what's going on guys? तो क्या कर रहे हैं आप लोग? Friends, this is the quick unboxing of Oppo F3 Plus which I bought recently because I lost my phone Samsung Galaxy S7, so I had no other choice than to go with this phone because I was getting in a very cheap price of 14,000 rupees after some exchange. So let's get started. So this box right in front of me, I'll just quickly open it. So this box looks like a very complicated one. I don't like it at all. My Samsung Galaxy S7 box was really very cool, very easy to open, and hardly I found any difficulty in opening that one. This one seems to be a lot of trouble making for me. So finally succeeded in opening the box. Right now in front of me this comes the big phablet of 6-inch display, the Oppo F3 Plus, which is in black color. This black color looks really good, better than the gold one which company usually sold before, but now they are bringing this black color. So this looks pretty good wrapped in this plastic. I'll just remove this cover. So just let's dive into the phone directly. At the top you just get the noise cancellation microphone. At the back you get the 16 megapixel 1.7f aperture camera, which is of very good quality. I've not used it, but I have heard many reviews. So at the side you just get the SIM tray and the power button. At the bottom you get the headphone jack, the USB type B port, and a speaker grill. These are the volume rockers. And on the front you just get the display of 6 inches, and this doubles up as a home screen and a fingerprint scanner. At the top you also get two dual cameras. The front dual camera is of 16 megapixel camera and 8 megapixel camera. 16 megapixel camera is of 2.0 aperture and 8 megapixel camera has a wide angle which takes a better group selfie. And the primary dual camera of 16 megapixel camera is of very good quality, takes a good selfie. It's a selfie centric phone, as you know with the advertisement itself. So that was the overall phone. Let's move on to the what all accessories we get inside the box. Right at the top you get the SIM ejector tool, and at the bottom you get the plastic cover. So inside the box you get this back cover of the phone, which is made up of plastic, PU plastic. It's quite good, durable. When you just drop your phone with this plastic on, I didn't find any scratches, which actually I was having previous phone with Oppo F3 only, so it was quite good one. And this is the main thing which you get, that is the power adapter of this phone. It's a very quick charger, and it's quite heavy. Let me just take it out. So as you can see, this is a very big charger. You may find it difficult to put it into the power point, but the biggest highlight of this charger is that it will charge your phone very quickly. That is, within 40 minutes you will get 70% of your battery charged. That's quite amazing. I liked about this phone this feature very much. You also get the earbuds and also earphone with this box, which is of inside ear type. So finally friends, this was the quick unboxing of Oppo F3 Plus. I hope you would have liked this video. If you are here for the first time, please do subscribe my channel and hit one like at least, please. So see you in the next video. Till then, do take care of yourself. Bye.